morning everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make dressed omurice, so-called tornado omurice. I will show you the easiest way to make it. It's nothing complicated, just watch my video to see for yourself. Creamy omelette covered chicken rice with Demi-Glace sauce is really delicious. Kids love it, you can't stop eating it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Let's make the sauce first. You need Demi-Glace sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, mix in water little by little. Add milk and mix well. Then cook on low for 3 to 4 minutes. Now let's make chicken rice. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Heat about 1 teaspoon of cooking oil in a frying pan. Cook onion and chicken until done. You can add more vegetables if you like. Add 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Add rice and mix until nicely coated. Now taste it and season with salt and pepper if needed. Put 1 serving in a small rice bowl, then flip it upside down onto a plate. Now let's make tornado omelette. To make 1 serving, you need 2 eggs. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of starch with 2 teaspoons of milk. Add it into the egg, season with salt and pepper and mix well. Heat 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Check if it is hot enough, then add butter. Now put the egg mixture all at once. Wait about 10 seconds until the edges begin to appear solid. Now pinch with the chopsticks and twist by moving the frying pan. Just until you see a nice drape is okay. Put the omelette on top of the chicken rice. Pour in the sauce around the omelette. This is optional, you can decorate the sauce with drops of milk. And now it's done! Easy, right?
Now it's done!
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Oishii. Tomato Ketchup. Bye bye. Bye bye.